I'm here at the Belgian Chocolate and Waffle House. Let's go inside and see how they make the chocolate. I got an Antwerp waffle, and what it consists of is strawberries, brownies, vanilla ice cream on the top, and just some chocolate, some Belgian chocolate made in-house. They used to show the process a couple of years ago, but I think things have changed, especially after COVID, so it's not the same anymore, but I think they're getting back there. I just spoke to the owner. They do a whole lot of things here. The waffle is made fresh right now, right in front of you. I'm not that much of a chocolatey person, even though I look chocolatey. But I think this would be quite nice for me. I don't think it's that sweet. I think it just goes down pretty simple. It's not dry. But this is what you want. You want some of that waffle crispiness on the outside, and on the inside a bit fluffy and soft. And this is the type of waffle that you want. You don't want it hard throughout. You want it to be going down quite easy, quite soft, quite melty. Let's look at that. And the strawberries as well. And that sweetness, a different type of sweetness to it.